Hey everyone, in this video, I'll explain how the abandoned cart recovery flow works and how it helps you bring back customers who left without completing their orders. Here, we're creating a new automation flow. First, give your flow a name. For example, abandoned cart reminder 15 seconds. This helps you easily identify your flow later. Next, choose the flow type abandoned cart recovery. This tells the system to automatically send a message whenever someone adds products to their cart but doesn't finish checkout. Now, you can set the delay after which the message will be sent. In this case, it's set to 15 seconds. That means if the customer doesn't complete the order within that time, they'll automatically receive a WhatsApp reminder. You can also change it to a few minutes or hours based on your preference. Here's the message section. This is what your customer will see on WhatsApp. You can personalize it using short codes like the customer's first name or checkout items. For example, "Hi, Sharon customer first name. We noticed you left something behind. If you need any help, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp." You'll also see a live preview on the right side showing exactly how the message will look, including the product image and checkout button. Under Template Message Type, select Utility. This option is used for transactional messages such as order updates or reminders. Then choose the type of media you want to send: dynamic product image, custom image, or even a video. Dynamic product image works great because it automatically shows the product your customer added to their cart. Below that, you can edit the button text. For example, complete your order. When customers tap this button, it takes them straight to the checkout page. You can also add quick reply buttons like Contact Support or View More Products. If your business serves specific countries, you can apply filters so the message only goes to those regions. Finally, click Create Flow. Your automation is now active. From now on, any customer who leaves their cart without completing the order will automatically receive a personalized WhatsApp message with a direct link to finish checkout. This small automation can help you recover up to 30% of lost sales, completely on autopilot.